This is a part 2 of the instructions for using the Magic Hinge Box. Picking up from last video, everything is the same, except this time we'll not remove the clay from the box, and instead we will drill it through. Using our pre-measure roller, we created grooves that you can pre-measure where you want to cut to create the hinges. It prevents to waste clay later on when cleaning. I will now put my box together. And put the gray always on top, straight down. Let's clamp the box. We're following the same steps. Just you'll see in a few minutes, we're not going to remove our clay from the box yet. Let's clean it with the cleaner. And then to the other side. Now what we want to create is to drill a hole through that will go straight in the center. We're going to use our little guide. This little drill bit guide is designed to protect our box and keep the drill bit straight. This piece is disposable and should be replaced when you feel that the drill bit is too loose and the hole got enlarged. After lubricate our drill bit, we're going to place and hold on both sides and drill it through while our clay is still wet. You can clean and repeat this step. Now slowly let's open our box. We're going to remove the drill bit guide and the two external layers, the gray one and the pink one. Let's place on a hot plate 5 to 10 minutes till it dries. Now when it's dry and coming back from the hot plate, we would like to put it back together and re-drill it. Since some shrinkage took place in the drying process, and we want to make sure again that our hole is straight and perfect. So we're going to put it together. And drill it through. And take the hinge out. Sometimes you can just pop the hinge out with your fingers, but if it's a little hard to remove, you can use any non-sharp tool. Just it can fit the hole and slowly push the hinge out. The best thing is when it's still hot, you can just push it through really easy. My runner just flew, but here it is. And this concludes how to make the hollow hinge with our Magic Hinge Box.